The 2010 Mercedes SLS AMG by Hamann. The German tuner Hamann is preparing their first tuning program for the Mercedes SLS AMG. And, like always, they started by improving the car's aerodynamics and providing the car with a little personal touch. For that touch, Hamann is offering a set of forged alloy wheels named Design Edition Race Anodized, in the dimensions of 9.0x21 front and 11.0x21 rear. These wheels are produced using the most modern manufacturing processes and come painted in a black matte anodized finish. Seen on these wheels are a set of titanium bolts that look suitable for the racetrack. These bolts are ultra-light, stable, and corrosion-resistant. The tuner is also offering a new set of suspensions that lowers the car's ride by 30 mm. There is also a set of stainless steel exhaust system with 90 mm exhaust pipes on each side. This new exhaust system offers a very sporty sound for the SLS. Press release after the jump. Press release. Hamann Motorsport is one of the leading names when it comes to exclusive refining of super sports cars. The company from Laufheim in southern Germany demonstrates this once again with the new Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG. Hamann presents premier tuning components for the gullwing, which enhances its sporty look and gives it that personal touch. For the recently presented Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG, Hamann offers forged alloy wheels named Design Edition Race Anodized. These wheels, which are produced using the most modern manufacturing processes, bring out the sporty design of the coupe and ensure the highest load-bearing capacity with low weight owing to special aluminium alloys. The look of the Design Edition Race Anodized, with its black matte anodized finish and the sophisticated cross spokes, fully meet the sporty expectations that customers have from the SLS AMG. The titanium wheel bolts seem to come directly from the racetrack. These are not only ultra-light but are also very stable and corrosion-resistant. The Hamann Wheel Assembly Design Edition Race Anodized are available in the dimensions of 9.0x21 front and 11.0x21 rear and are delivered with tire sizes 245/30 ZR21 front axle and 295/25 ZR21 rear axle at a price of €10,500. Other sporty highlights are the progressively wound suspensions, which lower the center of gravity of the SLS at the front and rear axle by 30 mm, thus improving the handling while going around curves at high speeds. In addition, Hamann offers a stainless steel exhaust system with a very sporty sound for the SLS. Two 90 mm exhaust pipes on each side exude an impressive rumble from the V8 engine.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.